And for our soup today, the Chinese soup, let's start with 2 leaves of Swiss chard. Just cut it here in the middle. Into pieces of this size. More or less like this. Cut everything. And this amount is for 1 or 2 people. A piece of carrot, about the length of 4 fingers. And we're going to cut it like this. Lengthwise. It should look like this, see? About this thickness, more or less. If you want to add more, that's fine too. Half an onion. This is easy. Just cut it like this, into 3 parts. It will look like this. Two cloves of garlic. Here, just slice it. Mushrooms to taste. And here, also in slices, here you can use shiitake mushrooms, any kind you like, okay? Of your choice. About 2 centimeters of ginger. I always like to add ginger to my soup. Besides adding flavor, it's also very good for your health. And here you just need to cut it into thin strips afterwards. Very thin. If you don't like ginger, you can leave it out. But I recommend adding it. Now, egg. A little bit of oil in the pan. Just spread it. Low heat, add the egg. And keep stirring. Stirring well, slowly. Let's do it like we're scrambling the eggs. I'm not going to fry it much. At this point, I'm going to turn it off. Leave the egg here on the side. Here in another pan, a little bit of oil, medium heat. Now add all the ginger, the onion, and the garlic. Let's saute it a little. Here, medium heat. Let's leave it for about 1.5 minutes. Stirring constantly. Now the carrot. Let it cook for about another 1.5 minutes. The mushroom and the Swiss chard. Now let it sit for about 1.5 minutes again. A little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Stir well. And now about a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. I'll stir it again. A teaspoon of fish dashi. And 500 ml of water. And now let it cook over medium heat until it boils again. It's come to a boil. Let's let it cook for about 2.5 to 3 minutes over medium heat. We can add the salt. Just a little bit of salt. We'll adjust it later. After 3 minutes have passed, let's add a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in a bit of water. Just a little bit, really, just to thicken it up a bit. Just a little, okay? It's not supposed to turn into porridge. Just to thicken it up a little. At this point, it's already perfect. You can see that it's not runny, but it's not too thick either. At this point here, we can already add the eggs. Add everything. Now stir. And now we can adjust the salt. I'll just have a taste. I'll just add a little bit more. If you want to add more black pepper, it will also taste really good. Now just stir it and turn it off. And this soup is wonderful because it uses little seasoning, but it has a lot of flavor. You can make it. I guarantee you'll love it.